Hi, my name is Emily Cook, and I am a junior at the University of Minnesota, majoring in retail merchandising. Currently, my prior experience includes working as a sales associate at Nordstrom in their BP department and as a company intern for Arena Swimwear in Portland, Oregon, specifically working with customer service, supply chain, merchandising, and marketing. As well as being a full-time student, I'm a student athlete on the women's swim team here at the university. I believe that the Nike internship with associate merchandising would be a good fit for me both academically and personally because it meets my personal interests as well as my academic and career goals. Being an athlete, I understand the importance of equipment, and Nike has been a brand that I've worn my entire athletic career, and I have a very strong positive relationship with it, and I would attribute much of my success to the apparel and equipment I've worn in practice as well as competitions. Academically, I believe that Nike is a very strong company, and they would be able to give me the knowledge and experience needed for any future work experience I have. Describe a time when you creatively solved a problem. Working with Arena over the summer, I helped customer service process returns. When processing returns, we examined products for any damages or defects or anything that would keep the product below company standards. Oftentimes, the packaging would be damaged with dents or tears because of the going through the mail. When a product or packaging is damaged, we have to scan it separately and send it back to the warehouse so they can repackage it and reshelve it. This makes it more difficult because it takes time out of customer service to change scans as well as the warehouse because they are dealing with 2 shipments rather than 1. We also have access to old sample sale boxes, which are the same exact packaging as our current resellable items that would normally be sent back to the warehouse. I creatively suggested we use those sample sale boxes as the packaging and discard the damaged ones rather than having to send the warehouse 2 separate shipments. My creative idea was positively received by my coworkers and implemented immediately after suggesting it. As a result, our returns were processed more efficiently, and we were able to save time both in the corporate office, and the warehouse would also be able to save time because they only had 1 shipment rather than 2. Describe a time when working in a group and your role. In my Introduction to Design Thinking class, my group and I were tasked with the project of creating a to-go coffee cup that was more eco-friendly and user-friendly. To come up with our solution, we used customer feedback as well as research on environmentally friendly materials. My specific responsibility was researching materials for their environmentally friendliness as well as cost. And I contributed to prototypes made within our group so they could be revised and edited. As a result, we were able to create an innovative coffee cup that was both environmentally friendly and user-friendly and was very well received by our class and teacher during our presentation.